Who me did really disappointed with a triple X.
For KC, man?
Not even that, because, you know, I always have him as like an educated youth, but I think he's an educated dunce, bro.
See all Ross clad footah. Yo, I'm like bumbo clad.
Yeah, you don't say, alright, it's a man like footah.
Yeah.
Footah gonna be footah, bro. I swear to the God, I see the video, but I never watch it. It's like an hour long, I never watch it, isn't me? I never watch it at all. And footah, bro. Footah, there's nothing footah can say about me where I gonna affect me, because footah, I gonna be footah. Who me did really disappointed with a triple X.
For KC, man?
Not even that, because, you know, I always have him as like an educated youth, but I think he's an educated dunce, bro. Because...
What do you do?
Bro, the man just have some weird theory. I mean, know where this hater come from. Ready? The man I gonna say something like, yo, them charge him, so the ballistics must come out. And I'm just like, who told you that? But anyway, and then I see I even boom too, randomly at disrespect. But you know what I find funny? You see all the three names them I call that are boom, footah hype, and triple X. You know what them all have in common? They were assaulted for doing their job. They were assaulted for exercising freedom of speech. And I'm not say it as a joke, because if you know, you know. Because when you put water and in an aisle, when it pop up, you get me I say? You understand what I say?
Yeah.
What I say?
When I put water and that pop up, that means it might get hotter or something, I don't know.
All right, it's fine. Cool? So, when the man them did break one buckle in a triple X head at the UK, I sympathize with him, because at the end of the day, he's a co-worker. I'm even go as far as say, a lot of DJs need to come out and talk, because it could have been you. You see me? No, I did laugh, but I did laugh because him just did trim him head. So I say if him did have the ear upon him head.
Reverse one. Bust him.
Yeah, it could have cushioned him head and him gonna put the top brass in him head now. You know you top brass? No. The top brass I don't think for dandruff. If you have locks, you have to use it, man. So it really make your ear like, you understand? Yeah, so, and then boom now.
I agree with him in head.
Wow.
I agree with him.
No. There's a boom now, I think, I don't know, but boom.
So you're stressing?
Well, no, I think boom. Who did beat up boom? Or some alleged thing.
We might have to get beat up.
But regardless, my point is this. Him also is a victim of freedom of speech. He might do his job and people. Ray. Now, in my situation, which I can't talk about, whatever I know. I think what bothers them is the narrative for me. The narrative is Jay angle himself. You see me? Jay beat the odds. That's the narrative that's out there. And I think because them think they're probably more gangster than me or more man than me.
More street.
Yeah, more street than me. I remember me at the uptown, you know, where them be, I love to know the uptown I'm come from. You see me? I think them can't fathom that, so them just you know, just go out there and just say something.
You know it's a big man thing though. See the
video? I never get it.
I know say. Boom beat my bad already. Like the same night when I talk about Jaii Frais, right? Me and boom not a problem. Boom all like first man, I know someone can get beat now, fine. They were the first man.
But I don't want to glorify nobody.
No. But me talk to Jaii Frais. Right. Yo, just love me.
Go on. Me just come out, you know.
Oh shit, I've 2 weeks I talk now.
Why can't I talk and them beat him while you were there?
Achoo, DJ is my father. DJ is.
You know want to say, anyone that pass 30, all they got the youth. Baby, I'm cool with that. Because people map about youth, regular and rare. Yeah. And me not gonna be the first one to get the youth, or the last one to get the youth. So, youth, and if we really want to get the youth, we can hold one big jacket off a chair and walk with.
Yeah.
You see where I come from? And say, I'm my youth.
Yes,
you understand? So, getting a youth, come on, bro. Him hold the mic, him beat me, him talk a bag of thing. But bro, when you start hold the mic and you start with certain things were different from what that, it hurt me. I not deal with him, so I text him on him phone, get your father. Just love me name, your father, and leave me alone. Brother, yeah, your friend I call up big way name. Someone I look for you up or an Alkaline name, yeah? So me say.
With Alkaline name?
Yeah.
You know what's funny, me meet Alkaline again? I swear to God, cool dude. I swear to God, cool dude. Meet him and his sister. Cool people, bro.
And talk?
Yeah. Meet Alkaline, bro. Tall on me. Which is kind of sad. Disappointed him tall on me.
You
But
see that? I want to thinking, man.
no, mama, me.
Mamba all no.
Me the tall man.
Him and the razor.
Wait,
I don't come.
wait, so
Man call. Someone call me. Brother. The man them call me with Alkaline thing. Him and them serious, you know. Some say, dog, what am I call you? You what all of a person.
Yeah.
You know, run community in a bad man is a fucking selector. And brother, from that I just draw my line with him. Me just say, yo, you see that you there? Because it's a dog gonna rate and it's love, you know. But if all the chat back is not gonna be the same. Because you know why? You keep on doing some things, you feel say, oh, Ray, bro. Bro, me tell you, so you remember the same song, say? I can be violent. I can be that guy. I can be that who you want to be, bro.
Yeah, that was my song.
You see it?
In a lack of it.
Yeah. And then,
me most good all.
No, don't hey, boy. Skip it.
Like girl with a ball, must go yard.
Well, so that goes up, boom, no one. He might do him thing, but he might do him thing. Bro, the man forward now. Walk on, take a party with them. I'll my party chocolate boss them and bunker them on. Bro,
yeah, look at that boom too.
Look at him. My close argument, like some face. Look at him. Bro, every time I go around them, they must say, like someone that say, you go and party Jaii Frais, your friend, man. And then Jaii Frais, I beat you bad. Yeah. You never say, what? A Jaii Frais, I become for. And Jaii Frais call me and this. It doesn't make sense. Yeah. So when we see the video and he beat me the same night, but watch him. Because I must say, spend our team boss money, bro.
Listen, go on, that. No, I meet Alkaline Frais, I swear to you, I meet Alkaline. And I swear, you don't know perception is an elevator. Give me that Alkaline. I don't want to use the word weird. I'm thinking he might be standoffish. You know, based on stories I'm hearing about him, and I think he might have seen one corner, probably a smoke a spliff and just not say nothing. No, the man is cool, dude. I think he might have talk like weird too. Like he might probably say, man. Yeah, they make a move.
Same talk to you.
No, I'm all him say, I did. I'm saying, my dad, no young lad. I say, yo, Mary say, no, with the thing. I say, me, Alkaline, I love you.
Lie at him.
Alkaline, I love you.
Lie at him.
No, I said that. At first, I thought to him, sister, sweet lady.
Yeah, scary.
Sweet lady. So I said, like, real, genuine conversation. Me and her, they have a little back and forth with certain things I would disagree with. But a conversation could I have, and she invite me at the show Miami. No, I can't go to that show. You know, but she invite me.
Give me pass, man. I go over now.
She invite me to the show at Miami. We go to Mr. Polton, the other two. And then I chat to Alka. Me and Alka conversation wasn't long, but just there I show him, say, yo, you know, we have enough mutuals, and I say, yo, I tell him, say, the media, if you not really watch something in the entirety, you just see a clip and things say, the clip tell the whole story, you see me? Mm-hmm. And man, just reason for it could be like 5-10 minutes. Meet G go too. You see me? Yeah, cool people. So, that's what you are talking about, whatever people are telling about Alkaline, that, man.
The man call me on my phone. Yeah, stop chat about it. Anyway, still.
Yeah. But now I make this publicly known. Bro, I don't want a problem with nobody, brother. So you see, here what I'm going to do. What I do a thing where, if I say anything about you, where you feel like it hurt you so much,
call me,
bro. Shot me a DM, or link a mutual, free, and we can figure it out. Because, you see, the pros them come with the cons them. You see me? So if you want to be a billionaire, the tax man I got a prayer every single day. That just come with it. If you want to be an influencer, people have a critique you and say you look like this and you look like that. Mm-hmm. If you want to be a policeman, you might dead. If you want to be a thief, you might get locked up or dead. Whatever the case may be. Mm-hmm. If you want to be a Dan, people might kill your family because you have to take the pros and the cons. So if you not go forward in the space, you have to understand that people have a critique. A lot of people might say, well, Jay, you're very harsh. But let's ask this question. How much time people bash me? Mm-hmm. But apart from it, because guess what going on now? I can't want the fancy house and the GLE and the model girlfriend and me don't want two people. I say what them feel about me. It comes with it, bro. You see me? So I say this right now. If it's a case of a problem, just reach out to me. Because the show goes on. You understand? Me I want man first. So we don't need to do all of that, bro. So even boom boom now, honestly, I just because my David can really pick up on what me and boom boom have. Cause the last time me and see boom boom, I love I energy.
I saw it, man, good.
So for even him say that I'm gonna say footah, I'm gonna be footah.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm gonna say footah right now, I would heal him because I would want to heal him, I'm not heal no back.
Yeah.
That's the only reason I would heal him. I would say I be things you're going with.
Yeah.
Simple as that, bro.
Yeah.
Be things you're going, cause footah I gotta be footah. Me not special. Footah not take set for me. Me just the hottest thing right now, so I'm gonna talk about the hottest thing right now. And when this done, I'm going to something else. Him not really give a fuck about me. You see me? But as artists, as influencers, content creator, bro, enough money out there for me, bro.
It's a serious.
In a serious, bro.
It's a serious, bro.
You know what next thing too? I want to know how much people got law school at Jamaica. Cause a lot of lawyers.
The whole of TikTok and
The whole of TikTok is lawyers. Triple X, Mr. Ballistic, Mr. Forensics, Mr. Know It All. Like, the amount of stories me hear about this situation was just like cool, but I don't want them to talk like from a legal point of view. Just like, what? If you watch every video, do some homework. Watch every video where an actual lawyer speak about the situation and watch what the lawyer them say. I won't tell you now, because I can't speak on it. But watch what the lawyer them say. Because I'm telling you, if the island of the pot and you throw water,
popping.
all right. You still don't get what that means, you know?
Me get what that means.
But I'm going to tell you one day. But not today.
Blood clot fire, that boy.
No, just don't stop at all.
Oh.
The twins.
Yo.
They don't stop. Watch.
What is twins?
The twins.
Twins, them man are twins, man.
Twins are... I'm not watching that, guys. I don't know. I swear to God.
But you know...
I have a dog, you know, bro. And two years gone to jail now. I just start talking, hold up a thing and if you try for Ray and I try to look at fame or Irie or Sun City out of it. That don't make no sense, bro.
Alright, Zip. I want Zip out of that. Now you're mad at that.
Too much things out of that, bro. I say, yo,